So here's an example of a really fun Mills Bell slot machine conversion to a Golden Nugget. Machine was restored in the late 1980s by a well-reputed restorer here in Southern California, Fantasy in Games. And it has the plaque, and it has the original bill of sale of over $3,000 for the machine. A very nice high-end restoration to the case, the wood case, as well as the cabinet and the castings. It has its, it is an original Mills mech and case. It has its serial number, but the castings, really high-end automotive finish paint with clear coat. This is like a gold metallic and a really nice blue. Really makes the machine pop, and it's a very fun playing machine. Reel strips on these tend to be pretty generous, so you're getting payouts. It does pay out on one cherry, so you get payouts pretty often, which just makes it fun to play. It's a very easy pulling machine, and it does have the Golden Nugget replacement reel strips. It does have a full working jackpot. It's quite loaded with quarters right now, and it works perfectly. It's actually a double jackpot, so there's a full stash of quarters that can get stored up top and on reserve. So as soon as the first jackpot drops, when it resets, the second batch drops. Of course, now it's not paying off for me because I just hit a bunch of it. We'll keep playing it and see what we get. No cherries popping on that first video. Let's see if we can get one here. Oh, there we go. 3 oranges that pays between 9 and 11 coins. Let's count them out and see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 quarters from our Golden Nugget 25-cent slot machine.